In this video, I'll show you how to change bio on TikTok. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, let's say you want to change your bio on TikTok, maybe for some reasons, right? What you want to do right now, it's pretty easy. You're going to click on here, right? Click on the profile. Once you click on the profile, you're going to be displayed with your profile preview, right? So this how to do, right? So this video basically is an educational video. I'm just sharing my thoughts and insights on what you should do, like, right, if you want to achieve this. So you can see right now, this is our TikTok profile, right? For you to do this, you're going to click on this edit profile. Right now, this is our bio right here, right? You can come on here and type in whatever you want to type, right? You can add up whatever you add up, right? So this is how you can change your TikTok bio. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you guys in the next one.